Okay, guys, so I'm actually sitting here on my computer right now, and I haven't made it a video in a long time, but me and my boyfriend are talking. My phone's a mess, and that's what he's talking about. That sucks. I'm not saying anything perverted, but there. Okay, you guys can't see me here. So as I was saying, I'm using my phone right now because it's hard to be on Skype, Facebook, and YouTube at the same time because my computer's been screwing up a lot lately. And now my ringtone is going off. Okay. But anywho, I've been trying to make a video and I haven't got really time to do it lately because I've been either at work or hanging out with my hanging out with Taylor or something. I went shopping and got some new clothes. I'm actually getting to like the sporty look, as you can see. Don't mind my bedroom. It's kind of a mess right now.
We like bad boys and bad cars, them hood rich, dope boys and trap stars. We like bad boys and bad cars, them hood rich, dope boys and trap stars. See, I'm a rubber lover, so rap it and I'll hug ya. Then we can stick together like the diamonds on the printer. Bad boys, not catch, call me undercover. Straight to my flip it like 10 cooking in 10 grams. Give him the grand